This episode dives into the making and repair of a clip-on desk lamp, a staple for focused DIY work. Manufacturers mount a lightweight aluminum body, attach a flexible neck, and install a bright LED module for longevity. When the lamp fails at the switch, the repair steps begin with unplugging, disassembly, and testing continuity across the switch. Then a worn tactile button is replaced, wiring is checked for secure connections, and the switch is reseated with grease. To prevent failures, use a strain relief, avoid yanking the cord, and store the lamp upright to protect the switch.